Smoking causes cancer, heart disease, stroke, lung cancer, diabetes, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease (COPD), which includes angina and chronic bronchitis. Smoking also increases risk for tuberculosis, certain eye diseases and problems. So this needs to be like awareness program from the doctors to aware the people that which says that why smoking is so dangerous and harmful. Number two,
Sir, apologies. लेकिन अगर if there is any particular comment, suggestion or question from your side, because हॉल में जब और लोग भी काफी होंगे तो मुझे मैं short of time होगा, आप थोड़ा सा उसको brief कर दें please.
अच्छा इसमें ये है कि ये जो इसमें